So from here we're going to start round 3 and we're going to join a lighter brown color to this stitch here. So we're going to pull a loop using the working yarn, chain 1, okay, and then tie a knot to secure the chain 1. So that's, we're going to count that as 1. So that's 1, 2, 3. From here we're going to double crochet 3 and finish double crochets in the same space. So we're going to yarn over, pull a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. So that's 1 unfinished double crochet. Then we're going to do the next one, yarn over, pull a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, that's 2. Yarn over, pull a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. So that's 3 unfinished double crochets. Now we have 4 loops on the hook. You're going to yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, then chain 2, 1, 2. From here we're going to skip 1 stitch and crochet 4 unfinished double crochets in the next stitch. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then now you've got 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 5 loops, chain 2, 1, 2, then repeat the same steps until you get to the end of round 3. Okay, so we're going to skip 1 stitch, crochet 4 unfinished double crochets in the next stitch, okay, so continue doing the same until you get to the end of the round. we're at the end of round 3, and we're going to slip stitch on top of this first bead. So I'm going to slip stitch into that chain 1, okay, and then chain 1, cut your yarn, so at the end of round 3 we should have 16 beads. So that's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Okay, we're going to weave in this end, these two ends. So this is the end of round 3. Round 4 is going to start from this chain 2 space here.